Hey onesmartfros, it's GINAMARIE. In this video, I am here with another hair mask video, except this hair mask I am trying is $3. That's right, you did not hear me wrong, a $3 hair mask, and we're putting it to the test. So this hair mask is actually from Trader Joe's. If you guys have not followed me on my channel, I am a huge fan of the Trader Joe's Tea Tree Tingling Conditioner. It is a staple product of mine, and ever since I moved to the area that I live now, I had not been able to find a Trader Joe's, and then when I found one, I was like, yes, 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 yes. And so I went and I stocked up on the conditioner, but while I was getting the conditioner, I saw this hair mask. This hair mask was only $3 now, so I was like, let me get it. So the Trader Joe's hair mask, it contains shea butter and coconut oil hair mask. It is supposed to moisturize, revitalize dry, damaged hair, deep conditioning for soft and silky hair. So after cleansing with shampoo, massage and hair mask from root to tip, leaving 3 to 5 minutes, then rinse. Use as often as needed. This seems to me like it's supposed to be more of a quick conditioner, but I need a deep conditioner, and to me, hair masks are a deep conditioner. So my hair is freshly shampooed, and I also used a quick conditioner. I used Camilla Rose to shampoo my hair. So now I'm just going to go in with this hair mask. So right off the bat, it is very thick. You can definitely smell the butter. It is extremely, extremely thick. Definitely thicker than any hair mask that I've used before. I'm not gonna lie, I don't see people of the Caucasian hair textures being able to use this hair mask because it is very, very heavy. Okay. So I'm just going to wrap this part up. I'm gonna go in with some more. So it comes in a pretty small tube. So if you have a lot of hair, I don't know how much you'll get out of it. Because like I said, it is very thick, so you kind of feel like you need a lot to actually spread it. But I am going to try to smooth it all throughout my strands so I'm not wasting product. I am getting some nice slip. And it is helping getting rid of these little tangles. So far, so good. I have no complaints right now. It actually kind of feels more like I could use this as like a leave-in, I'm gonna be honest.
Niggas don't know where I came from, why I really came. You never could say them. Tell them. I go crazy.
So this is my hair after I rinsed out that deep conditioner, and I have to say I don't dislike it, but I don't like it. It is definitely a $3 deep conditioner. I thought this deep conditioner wouldn't really work for those with like Caucasian type hair, but after rinsing out this deep conditioner, I actually think that this deep conditioner will be perfect for that hair texture, just because my hair, my strands need moisture, and my hair, it feels dry. It feels a little moisture, but not that much. I guess I feel this way because I have had some really good deep conditioning sessions in the past few months that I haven't actually came across a deep conditioner that my hair just didn't love. And so, like I said, it doesn't feel bad. It just does not feel like I would want my hair to feel after a good deep conditioning session. And so with that being said, I do know I'm going to go in with some heavier products for my styling, just so I can get some moisture back into my hair, because right now it's just not doing it. And like I said, this is definitely a $3 deep conditioner. I think if you are like going somewhere and you need to run and pick up something and you just so happen to have a Trader Joe's, this will definitely be a deep conditioner, because like if you forgot something. But yeah, that's all I have with this deep conditioning hair mask review. I wanted to kind of come with you guys with something different, not so much name brand, just something that I found regular in stores. And I would definitely be trying more store brand, drugstore type deep conditioners for you guys, and I will definitely be bringing those. If you want to check out my full playlist of hair mask videos, I will leave them in the card so you guys can check that out. If you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit the subscription button so you don't miss out on any videos, and I'll see you guys in my next video.